Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need your iPhone, paired AirPods, and the hearing control active. First, add Hearing to Control Center if it's not there. Once added, open Control Center, place your AirPods in, tap the hearing icon, and turn on Live Listen. Your iPhone becomes the external microphone and routes amplified ambient sound into transparency mode. This is the immediate, necessary step because transparency itself isn't adjustable louder. Live Listen is the only built-in amplification method that increases perceived transparency volume. Once Live Listen is active, position your iPhone closer to the sound you want louder. Distance matters for mic pickup. Then raise the iPhone volume. AirPods output follows the device level, so increase both carefully. Next, open Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual Headphone Accommodations and turn it on. Choose Custom and Boost specific frequencies or presets like Speech Booster. This shapes and amplifies the parts of sound you need. These combined adjustments create effective, louder transparency than the default mode alone. Finish by testing in realistic situations. Move the iPhone around while listening and tweak volume and frequency boosts until clarity and level suit you. If you hear distortion, lower the iPhone volume or reduce the boosted bands and headphone accommodations. Amplification can clip if set too high. If Live Listen won't connect or audio drops, restart your iPhone and AirPods and repair them. Remember, Live Listen plus headphone accommodations is the only reliable way to make transparency louder on iOS devices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.